Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Maple Creek, Saskatchewan, a charming town nestled between the prairie and the Cypress Hills. The town gets its name from the creek that flows nearby, once lined with Manitoba maples. Maple Creek has a long and colorful history going back to the 1880s when it became a service center for the Northwest Mounted Police. It quickly grew as ranchers and homesteaders moved into the area. Today, it's known as the Cow Town of Saskatchewan because of its deep ranching roots. The downtown still has that old western feel with heritage buildings and wooden boardwalks. Just outside town, the rolling hills and wide open spaces are perfect for hiking or just soaking in the view. It's also a gateway to the stunning Cypress Hills, only a short drive away. Whether you're here for a stroll or the scenery, Maple Creek offers a warm welcome and a taste of the West. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Maple Creek, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!